welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sean and I'm back with another video. You guys really seem to enjoy me having a very casual chat with you guys, just sort of sitting on my couch. In my recent video, which is called We All Can't Be Cardi B, I'll be sure to link that video on the screen and also below so you guys can check it out. But I wanted to come to you guys today with another sort of couch chat, couch conversations, whatever I want to call this little segment on my channel. But I just want to talk to you guys about one of the reasons why I feel like so many of us are not manifesting the things that we want, and why some of the prayers that we're praying have not been answered. Something that I'm really coming to the realization of and that I'm learning that I want to share with you guys. So, we always talk about finding your why. Now, if you've never heard that before, it's pretty common, and that is really getting down to the reason why you want something that you say that you want. Let's just say, for example, you're somebody who's a YouTuber and you want to reach 100,000 subscribers, which is something that I feel like, this is not a crazy goal or a goal that's not attainable, but why? Why do you want to reach that specific number? Is it just for the plaque, or is there a reason that you've attached to it? For example, you want to reach 100,000 subscribers. Why? You may say, so that I can get sponsorships. Well, truth be told, you can get sponsorships without having 100,000 subscribers, but let's just keep going. So why do you want more sponsorships? So that I can make a bit more money. Why? So that I can quit my job. Why? Because I actually want to do what I want to do for a living and not working for somebody else. That's your real why. So when you're praying to God and you're praying for 100,000 subscribers, that's not even what you want, really. It's sort of like something on the way to what you really want. It's like a pit stop, but you're treating it like it's the final destination. And the reason why I'm saying that is because when you attach everything and you do it in a wrong way like that, when you reach 100,000 subscribers and everything that you thought would happen as a result of that doesn't, you act like God has failed you. You know what I mean? It's like when you're praying to God, you should be getting to your real why, because I want to help more people and I want to do that for a living. And I think that's really important. And then when you're praying and when you want to manifest something, the first thing, like I said, the first step is to get to your why. But the second step is to give God room to move. Because having 100,000 subscribers isn't the only way for you to do what you love for a living. God may have another way completely different. That's why you could never, with your finite mind, with your myopic thinking, ever really grasp what God can do. That's what makes him the creator. He's the creator because he's creative. I remember a long time ago, I wanted to work from home, and my husband has a degree in computers. And I was like, babe, you got to teach me computers, because my husband had a job where he could occasionally work from home. So I was thinking to myself, the only way that I could work from home is for me to work on computers too. I don't even like computers like that. I would have never thought in a million years, when I was begging my husband to teach me code, something that I hate, teaching me how to do code and how to do all the things that he does with his degree, trying to teach me how to do all those things, that I could actually do what I love and work from home. I had to expand my thinking. That I'm making YouTube videos for a living, and that's only a part of it. But I also have royalties from the 3 books that I've written. I host retreats. I do one-on-one coaching. There's so many other things that I would have never even thought to ask God for. But I had to get to my why. And I had to give God room to move in whatever way he saw fit. I think a lot of reasons why we're not truly manifesting the things that we want is because we are too sort of singular in our thinking. We're thinking it can only happen this one way. We're not giving God room and the space to be as creative as he can be. That's why he's the creator. He will blow your mind with what he can do for you. It's like you want God to give you this gift. And you want it to be in your favorite color bow, and you want it to be in this color wrapping, and you want it to be on your birthday. You have all these rules for how you want God to do it. And that's the reason why he's not doing it. If you truly trusted him, you would say, however, whenever, wherever. Any way that you choose to bless me, God, I'm here, I'm willing, I'm ready, and I'm able. Because I know that if you created me, you know exactly what I need. but we don't give God room. We're just kind of putting him in a box. So I want to kind of encourage you with this video to give God room to move. And don't put God in a box. And I want you to sort of expand your thinking. So I'm going to give you some homework, okay? This is what I do with my coaching clients. I'm going to give you some homework. In the comment section, if you're brave enough, or even if you're not brave enough, you can always just, when this video is over, get yourself a sheet of paper and write these things down. I want you to really get to your why for the thing that you want. Whether it's to manifest a mate, whether it's a certain amount of money, whether you want $10,000. Why exactly do you want $10,000? Because you want to pay off your student loan or whatever it is. I want you to get to your true why. And I want you to come up with at least 5 ways, no matter how random, how abstract those ways could be, 5 ways that thing that you want can happen. Just to start the process, to start the ball rolling with the idea of it can happen in any way. God, however you decide to bless me. Stop trying to treat God like he's one-dimensional. He can blow your mind anytime he wants to, if you take the handcuffs off of him. Maybe you're not waiting on God. Maybe it's him that's waiting on you. Get it together, girl. I'm just joking. But anyway, hope this video encourages you guys. If you're brave enough, I want you to get to your why below. Say what you truly want. When you ask yourself why enough times, you'll get to what you truly want. And then I want you to come up with creative ways for you to get there. And that's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Till next time, later, divas and dudes. Deuces, honey.